Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to make this fluffy pancake that you can actually add up to your breakfast menu. So without waste of time, let's get right into it. To make this pancake, first I'll be cracking one egg into a mixing bowl. Egg is actually very necessary whenever you want to make pancake. I'll also be adding sugar to it, then whisk properly in order to dissolve. Next, I'll be adding little salt, vegetable oil, and room temperature milk to it, then mix everything together. The full ingredients and measurements will also be at the description box down below, so please do ensure you check it out. Next, I'll be transferring all-purpose flour to it. So I'll be using this sieve to sieve the flour. This will make it more lighter to work with. In order not to make a mess, I'll be placing this plate over the flour, then gently move it this way. You can also choose to use a spatula or a spoon to gently move the flour without making a mess. Okay, I'm done sieving, so I'll just gently mix everything together. This recipe is actually very simple and you can simply just double it depending on the amount of pancake you actually want. I'll also be adding little baking powder and milk flavoring powder in order to boost the flavor of our pancake. Then mix everything one more time to combine. So this is the consistency of my batter and this is actually very perfect. If you'll be using the measurements I'll be adding at the description box, you need not to add little water or milk to it. This is actually very perfect. So next I'll be placing the pan on low heat and allow it to heat up. Then I'll gently transfer the batter into the pan just the way I'm actually doing it. Then allow it to bake. This should take about 2 minutes or thereabout. Once it starts to bubble up at the top this way, just know it's actually time to flip it over. So let's flip it over and see. Guys, just look at this goodness. It's actually looking so yummy. So I'll allow it for 1 more minute just so the other side could also brown up a little bit. So I'll be repeating the same process for the remaining batter. Remember, I'm actually using low heat just so you can be able to cook properly from the inside without getting burnt on the outside. And that's it guys, our pancake is pretty much ready. I was able to get about 4 pancakes from about 1 cup of flour. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. Thank you very much for watching guys. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye.